guys, welcome back to our easy 3-minute enrichment exercises. Today we have Chili here with us. He is a mini Dachshund and he is going to show us how easy it is to enrich our puppy's lives. So today what we're going to need, we need 2 bowls and we need an obstacle. So this can be anything. I am using his bin for his toys, but you can use anything that you have. And then we will need his kibble. So you can portion out his kibble, put it into a container, and just use whatever you would have used for his portion for that day. Good boy. Let's set him down, and to get him started, I'm going to put 1 piece of kibble in each bowl. This is a great confidence building exercise that you can easily do just 3 minutes a day to engage with your puppy and to build a bond. Right here. Good. So once he gets the idea that the food is in the bowl, I am going to put 1 bowl over there behind the obstacle, and we'll do a few more just to let him get the hang of it. Good boy. It might take a few tries for them to go around the obstacle, but that is fine and even better. So you get that full enrichment and you get that mental stimulation that they need. Something as simple as this can be just as beneficial as a short walk. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. This is a part of our 3-minute series. We will have 10 of these, so don't forget to check back and watch every single one. Thank you.